Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is Wilkins, and this is day 6 in our training series. This is where me and my business partner, seven-figure mentor, teach you how to turn $25 into 2,500 plus or more per month online. So if you've been having trouble making money online, or you're just looking for something that's legitimate that you can get started with, make sure you check out this entire video. Or as a matter of fact, if you're new to this channel, make sure you check out the very first video in this series so that you can get caught up and know exactly what's going on with this training. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to my business partner, and we're going to go ahead and get this video started. Let's go.
All right, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time here, go ahead and do me a huge favor on the way and go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you find the content useful inside of this video training series, which you should, we're on day number 6 of teaching you how to use very simple services that requires very little of your time to generate a full-time income. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Even Chuck Norris approves. Just kidding, guys. But what we're going to be talking about is how we're going to be using these two services. One service is $25. That's why it's called the $25 all-in-one business. And we're going to be using another service that's only $1 per day. So you're looking at around $2 per day on average to run this business that can literally has the potential to generate you tens of thousands of dollars. We're actually just going to load up November 1st through November 7th, which is just the first 7 days of this month of November. And you guys can see we're averaging over $1,000 per day with this actual $25 business. By all means, make sure you guys check out the FTC disclaimer down in the bottom left-hand corner of this video. So let's jump in here. We're going to show you guys how to promote this. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is go directly below this video and sign up for the My $25 business if you have not already done so. If you guys are on video number 6 and you're just here to get that email that we're going to be showing you guys how to write in a second, stick around with me for a few minutes and then we'll get to that email. We'll get that sent off and then we'll have another couple of days of sending the email so you get used to this. And then we're going to start teaching you guys some more advanced techniques and tricks to actually go in there and promote this business. But let's go ahead and jump on in here. And what you need to do first is go directly below this video and click on link number 1. It's going to bring you right here to this brand new all-in-one business page that you're seeing right here. Now, once you land on this page, what you're going to do is go ahead and read the information. It's going to show you guys how to take this $25 all-in-one business and how to start seeing results in as little as 24 hours from now. So to get signed up, you literally just scroll down here, watch the little video and click, yes, I want this all-in-one business. By all means, read through all this information. It actually shows you how you can get up to $100,000 in 12 months or less following this very simple system. It even breaks down how just one sale turns into $74,000 per year, 2 sales $149,000, and 3 sales over $224,000. And I'm currently averaging well over 3 sales per week. So you can see I've already broken the $285,000 mark with this all-in-one business. So this information they provided is true. So let me scroll on down here. And what you're going to do is you're going to get to the bottom, or you can click into these, yes, I want access. You're going to put in your information here, okay? Fill out your card information. And then what you're going to do is I highly recommend is click, yes, I want the free access for the first 2 weeks of what's called the HBA Premium. After that, go through the information, and then if you can't afford it, by all means, you guys can hit the pause button on it, cancel it, and come back to it at a later date. Now, what the HBA Premium is this. It teaches you additional traffic sources and conversion methods to generate sales into your online business. So it teaches you how to use free traffic, paid traffic, conversions. You get live coaching. You get to come to 2 live mastermind calls. They also have masterminds every single day that you guys can tune into to actually help you grow your online business. So it's a very well knit community, and there's a lot of personal one-on-one help when you are an HBA Premium. So make sure you guys check that out for at least the first 2 free weeks. So just click that yes, then you can cancel at a later date. Now, the next service we're going to be using, as we talked about just a moment ago, was this right here. It is this service that you get 100 leads per day, all for $100, and we can send out an email, okay? So this is going to be link number 2 down in the video description. You're going to click yes, join MLGS now. You're going to click that out, fill in the information, and create your account, okay? Now, once you've done that, we are going to go ahead and log in to one of our accounts. Our recommendation is to try to get at least 5 of those accounts. If you can afford them, that would be $5 per day. But some of you guys can't. If you can only afford 1 or 2 accounts, that's okay. Add more accounts as time goes on. But I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, and we're going to send an email. Let's see if I have the access or if I've already sent my emails. Okay, I haven't sent the emails yet today. So once you've got your account set up from link number 2, this is where you click this Join MLGS Now. After you've signed up, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. the very first step is to come to the mailing system. You're going to sit right here to click select all. You can actually just avoid this one right here, avoid this one right here, and you're going to click on that right there. And what this does, it's going to say, hey, we're going to be emailing this. You're going to be starting out with 100 leads per day. But as you can see, this one account has been open for, I think, a year or two now, and I've got 113,000 people that I'm mailing every single day inside this account. So then you scroll down, then it says, hey, we need a subject. What's the subject or the main heading that we're going to be sending to our customers, which is right here. And then here in just a second, we'll be scrolling down and we will be using, this is the body of the email that will be going sent out today. So if you guys that are here just for the emails, we're going to go ahead and write that. And let's go ahead and jump in here. Let's find us a great headline that we can use for our business. We'll just kind of scroll up and see what we can't find for today's email. So let's do that real quick. I'm just kind of scrolling up and see what I can find. Or we can also manipulate, you know, things like that. Let's just do this. Yearly cash flow of nearly $75,000. People love headlines with money in it, right? For some reason, that's the big one. There we go. Perfect. Yearly cash flow of nearly $75,000. Is this you? And then let's insert their first name. So grab that right there, and we're going to pop that in. And then we'll put a question mark, right? I like that right there. See, yearly cash flow of nearly $75,000. Is this you? And it's going to ask them if that's them. So they're like, hey, I don't know. Is this me? And they're going to open up this email, because the whole objective of this is to get them to open up the email and then click on something inside of here. Okay. All right. Let's copy that right there. That's great. Okay. So we're going to come down here. See, I'm not writing this, guys. I'm just pulling copy from over on the actual wording itself. So I'm going to go to Arial, normal. Say, the power of residual income is so great that we have made it our mission to help you get as much of it as possible. Can you imagine creating an ongoing $75,000 per year cash flow focusing on just one sale per week? That's nearly double the average American salary, and people have to work. That's crazy. Let me show you how to get started. It's so easy. Let me show you. Let me move my mic up real quick here. So let me show you how to get started. Get started making $75,000 per year. Click here now. All right. And then talk soon. You can put whatever name you want here, right? You don't have to put your own name. You can make up your name, but talk soon. Michael, it can be Jessica, it can be David, it can be John, it doesn't matter, okay? Put any name you want there. Now what we need to do is simply just add in our link. So let's go to our SAM cart. And if you don't have a SAM cart set up yet, once you have logged into your HBA's back office, you're gonna come to the affiliate zone. And they're actually gonna walk you through 4 video setups. There's 4 videos that will set you up and show you how to create your SAM cart, which is free. They're gonna teach you guys how to log in and create your affiliate account. Once you've done that, it'll look like this. You just scroll down here to the bottom where it says all-in-one sales letter. You copy it. You come back over to your mailing system where it says click here now. Highlight it, hit the link icon, paste that in, click OK. And now I like to always bold this and change this to a bright blue. And I like to make it just a little bit bigger so it stands out, just like that. You're going to hit perfect timing and send your email. Now, it's really just this simple in order to start generating some leads and sales into your online business using a simple service that only costs you $1 per day. Now, this is not going to be the be all end all of generating enormous amounts of commissions and sales into your online business. This is the easiest way to get you started. That requires the least amount of time. And then as the videos will progress, we'll be teaching you additional methods and ways of generating traffic on top of what they're teaching you here inside the HBA Premium that you should be watching over the next 2 weeks. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment down below. Let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And what you're gonna do is, for you guys that have multiple accounts, I gotta make sure I show this to you real quick before we head on out, is to right click up here. You're gonna hit this little duplicate. All right, and then on the duplicated page, you go ahead and log out. And this is the reason we're gonna do this. I'll go ahead and log in to the next account real quick. You just, now that this account, this is the second account that I've logged into, I have 5 of them. When I go to the mailing system, check this out. I can just hit select all. And because I duplicated this page up here, it kept my email. So I don't have to rewrite the email over and over again. Now I can just, on the original one I sent, I can copy it, come over to the duplicated page and paste it, and then just bounce right back. See up here, I just bounce back to the previous page, highlight it all, I copy it, come down here, and I paste it all in there, and then hit perfect timing and hit send. Now you'll do that for as many accounts as you have. Like now, I just leave this page open because I've already duplicated it. So when this one gets sent, I just simply come up here, log out, and then I just click the little login, and I will log into the very next account that I want to send emails with in mailing system, select all, and then I just repeat the process for all 5 of my accounts. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this very simple way to start generating some commissions and making some money online, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.
And with that, guys, this video is done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get right back to you. Also, the link to the resources will also be down in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check those out as well. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. See you soon.